Good morning, children. Welcome to Blue Stars High Secondary School. So today is your English grammar session, and today's topic is articles and determiners. So this is for class 7 standard. Okay. So articles and determiners. What are these determiners? Determiners and articles are nothing but they are the words used before a noun. Okay, they are the words that used before a noun and it modifies a noun. Modifies a noun. Okay, it determine and it tell more about the noun. So the words that are used before a noun and it modifies a noun are called articles and determiners. This article is also one of the determiner. Okay, so we have several types of determiners. So what are they? Your determiners are modified into several types. Okay, so the first one is articles. The second one is possessives. The third one is demonstratives. The fourth one is quantifiers. The fifth one is numbers. The sixth one is ordinals. The seventh one is interrogatives. Okay, so totally we have the determiners are classified into articles, possessives, demonstratives, quantifiers, numbers, ordinals and interrogative. Okay, so the first one is articles. So now we are going to see about the first one, articles. Okay, so as you know, articles are the word used before a noun and it modifies the noun, and we have these articles in two type. One is general type and other one is specific. Okay, so when we talk about things generally, we use some articles, and we talk about the specific things which we have already mentioned, we use the specific articles. A and an, these two are general articles and the is the specific article. For example, I have an apple. So when you have this vowels, okay, when you have this vowels and if you have a vowel sound, we use an, and A is for all the consonants, as you know. Okay, a book. I have a book. I have an apple. So all the vowels and the vowel sounds will take an, wherein the consonants B, C, D, F, etc. will take a. Okay, and specific. For example, if you have already mentioned about the particular noun, you can use the. Okay, so the boy who is standing there is my cousin. Okay, the boy. Okay, so if you are just mentioning about the specific noun, we use the article the. Okay, and the next thing is for unique things, we use the specific article for unique things. Unique things in the sense which is only one in the universe. Okay, the sun, the moon, okay, and the Ganga, the Ramayana, the Ganga, the Ramayana. Okay, so which is only one in the universe. So the unique things will take the article the. Okay, and the directions, all the directions will take the article the. Okay, so we use the, okay, the article, definite article the, for specific things and unique things and directions. The east, the west, the north, the sun rises in the east. Okay, so like that, for directions also we use the specific article the. Okay, and now we have some more rules wherein we should not use an article. Okay, we should not, don't use articles. Where we should not use articles means before a proper noun. What is a proper noun? It is a name of a person or a place or a thing. Before a proper noun, do not use articles. Okay, and then the second rule is before an abstract noun. What is an abstract noun? An abstract noun is a noun which you cannot see or touch. You can only feel. For example, kindness. Okay, kindness is a great virtue. So you cannot see kindness, correct? You can only feel it. You can just feel it. So before this abstract noun, you should not use a article. Okay, and the next one is uncountable nouns. So what is this uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are the nouns which you cannot count. Okay, the nouns which you cannot count. For example, music is a good stress reliever. Okay, music is a good stress reliever. So here music is a uncountable noun. We should not write as the music or a music. We should not use any article in front of this uncountable nouns. Okay, so we should not use article before a proper noun, that is name of a person. For example, I am Raj. You cannot say I am and Raj. I am the Raj. No, it's wrong. Okay, so you can just only say I am Raj. And before an abstract noun, so you should not use an article before an abstract noun. Then before the uncountable noun, we should not use any articles. So understood? The articles are defined into two types. One is definite article and the other one is indefinite article. Okay, definite article is the. The is used for specific people or thing. Then unique things. Okay, then unique things, directions will take the definite article. And indefinite article is a, an and the. Okay, and here before we should not use articles under certain conditions. The first one is before a proper noun and before an abstract noun and before the uncountable nouns. Okay, so this is the first type of your determiner. The second type of a determiner is possessive determiner. Okay, so what is this possession? Possession is, it denotes the ownership. Okay, it denotes the ownership of something. So possessive determiner says whose the particular thing belongs to. For example, this bag, this belongs to her. For example, this book belongs to her. Okay, this pen belongs to him. This watch is theirs. Okay, so all these things, her, him, it just represents the possession of something. Okay, which means ownership. Okay, whose the particular thing belongs to. Understood? So it refers to the something belongs to something belongs to someone. Okay, this determiner says that something belongs to someone. Okay, here we have some pronouns and its corresponding possessive adjective. For example, we have I. Okay, here we have the pronoun and here we have the possessives. I will change to my. Okay, you will change to your. He, his. She, her. It, its. We, ours. They, their. Okay, so these are the pronouns and its corresponding possessives. Understood? Yes. And the next one is your demonstratives. What is this demonstrative? Demonstrative, it just denotes someone or something. For example, we have this pen belongs to Ram. Okay, so this pen belongs to Ram. Whose pen belongs to Ram? This pen. Okay, which pen belongs to Ram is this pen. For example, demonstrative adjective will just tell about which thing. Okay, it can be singular or plural. Which thing belongs to whom? So here we have some of the demonstrative adjective, which is this and that. We'll use for singular, and these, those we use for plurals. Okay, those people are from China, we can say. When you're talking about plural, we can use these are, those. Understood? So demonstrative adjective will just say you about which thing belongs to whom. This pen belongs to Ram. So which pen? It's this pen. Correct? So these, that is for singular, and these, those for plurals. The next one is quantifiers. Okay. What are these quantifiers? This quantifiers just tells about the quantity or amount of something. It tells about the quantity or amount. Okay, amount of something. So these are quantifiers. So we use several words for this quantifiers. For example, few, little, okay, many, much, more, some, any, all, etc. So these are the words which represents or which quantifies something. Okay, so quantifiers are the determiners which tells about the quantity or amount of something. So these are the words which says the quantifiers, which determines the quantifiers. Understood? For example, there are some vegetables in the refrigerator. Okay, so we have some vegetables in the refrigerator. How much vegetables you have? You have some vegetables. So here this quantifiers determine how much or how many. Okay, how much or how many. Fine. So here there are some vegetables in the refrigerator. There are few pages left to read. Okay, there are few pages left to read. So few is again a determiner, a quantifier. Okay, all plants need water. So here again all. Okay, how much plants need water? All plants need water. So all is again a quantifier. So understood? Quantifiers determines the quantity or amount of something. Okay, it answers to the question how much or how many. The next thing is numbers. Okay, determiners. Okay, numbers. These numbers are divided into two groups. One is cardinal number and the other one is ordinals. One is cardinal and the other one is ordinal. Okay, here cardinal number will give the exact number. It will give the exact number of things or persons. Understood? And ordinal numbers will give the sequence or order of something. Understood? So cardinal numbers will give exact number of things or something, and ordinal number will give the sequence or order of something. What is this exact number? For example, I can say I have 2 pens. So how much pens I have? I have 2 pens. So this is the exact number. Okay, and sequence is nothing but he got the first prize. So which prize he got? He got the first prize. So this first, second, third, etc. are all ordinal numbers, and the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are cardinal numbers. Understood? So number is divided into two types. One is cardinal and the other one is ordinal. Cardinal number tells us about the exact number of things. Okay, and ordinal number tells about the sequence or order of something. Understood? Yes. And the last one is the interrogatives. Okay, what are these interrogatives? Interrogatives are always nothing but questions. Okay, all the questions are interrogatives to ask a specific question. So we can just say about this WH questions, right? We have learnt about this WH questions. What are these WH questions? The question was, it starts with WH. For example, what, which, whose, when, etc. So all these are WH questions. Okay, when you have these question words, when something is determined using these question words, we call them as interrogatives. For example, whose pen is this? So which one is the interrogative here? Whose. Okay, because this is the WH question word. Which is your hometown? So here again WH question is which. This is the interrogatives. So we have seen different types of determiners today. So what are the determiners we saw here? Determiners of articles, which is a, an and the. wherein a and an are general articles and the is the specific article. Possessives. Possessives are ownership, tells about the ownership of something. Okay, my, your, his, her, are and their. Okay, here demonstrative. Demonstrative tells about whose the particular thing belong to. Okay, which here you can say this, that is for singular and these and those for plurals. Quantifiers is the quantity. It just tells about the quantity of something, how much or how many. Numbers. Numbers is divided into two. One is cardinal and the other one is ordinal numbers. Okay, so this cardinal number is the exact number and the ordinal number is the sequence of something. And then interrogatives. Interrogatives are nothing but questions. WH questions. Okay, so these are your data minus today. And children, and we'll be uploading the notes for the same. Kindly copy it in your fair notebook. Thank you.